In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own logo from scratch in PlaceIT. So first go up to Designs. From Highlights you go to Blank Canvas. So here we go to Resize to resize the canvas. Click Resize. Then we go down to Custom Sizes. So as we want it as a rectangle, horizontal, I'm going to change the width and height. So the width is going to be 800 and the height is going to be 400. Then we click Apply. Then we want to change the background. To change the background to a transparent background, we go to Background Color. So we click Background Color. Then we go down and click the transparent box here. Click away. Now we want to add a graphic, text and subtext. To do so, we go to Add. First we add the graphic, so we go to Add Graphic. From here we can either go to Uploads and add what's existing in your current uploads that you uploaded previously, or we could go to Downloads, which you've already downloaded, or we can click here to upload a new image straight from your computer. Cancel. For now I'm going to go to Graphic and use one that exists. So as we scroll down we see graphics, but we can find our own graphic. Click here in the search box. In this case I'm going to go for one related to fitness, so I'm going to type in fitness. As you can see, there's a few graphics in fitness. Fortunately there's ones that I want, so I'm going to click one of the weights ones. So I'm going to click this one here. Click, hold, click, and see it appears. Then we click, hold, and we drag to the side, left. Now we've got the icon, graphic. Let's put the title text. You go here to Add, then Add Text. I'm going to move this more up. So we click, hold, drag up, and we click these small circles to enlarge. So we click, hold, and then we drag it to enlarge. So to change the text, we come up here to the left, highlight the text, and type your title. For me it's going to be Cool Fitness. Now we're going to add the subtitle. So we go down to Add, then Add Text. Click, hold, drag, and we come here to the small circles and we click, hold, and we drag it. We come up here to the left, we highlight the text, and we type in the subtitle. Now we want to change the style of the text. To do that, we come up here, just below the the title text that you've written, we come here to change the style of the text. So we click, and we have lots of choices. We can choose recent. Currently we have no recent. We can click saved. Currently we have not saved any to our favorites yet. Then we can go to suggested. As we scroll down in suggested, we have a choice of lots of fonts to choose from. We can choose more fonts by coming down here to more fonts. Click more fonts. As you can see, we have a whole lot of choices. We can click between any of these, and we can continue scrolling to find the ones that we want. We could also click here in the search box and type any one we specifically want. For now, I'm just going to scroll down and choose one of the sans fonts. So sans serif. From here I can choose any one of the fonts. Let's say you don't want to choose any of these fonts, you can easily click off and you will return back to your current suggested box. For now, I'm just going to choose one of these ones. So Barlow Condescend. Probably butchering it. That's fine. Let's click away. Then we're going to go down to the next one and click the font style section. Then we go to suggested and we choose one of these fonts here, or go to the more font. In my case, I'm just going to stick to one of the fonts here. Okay, click away. Now we haven't finished. We can still make a few changes. So in this case, I'm going to change the color of all the items. So I'm going to make this more of a green to orange. So we come here, see this box here, we click the box and we can choose any one of the colors. We can come over here to the custom and we can select any one of these colors here, or choose this slider to slide down to choose a specific color that we want. As I'm choosing green, I can come here to the green. Okay, next we can also choose any of the default colors. So there's default, there's recent. So click default. Currently we only have black, and we have recent, which is all these colors here. So I'm going to go back to custom and I'm going to leave it and click away. Now I'm going to change the bottom text. Again, we click this box here. Now that we click the box, we can choose any one of these colors. So I'm going to choose this color here. Nope, a bit too bright. Let's go for something a bit more darker. Yep, this one looks good. And click away. So let's say we wanted to make it a bit more larger. We can click and then choose these small circles here and click, hold and drag. Okay, we can click again to move it. So click that, move it down. Resize it. So I'm going to try and make it large so you can fit the page. Click, hover and drag. Hover, drag. So we want to make the logo the same size as the text. So again, we click, we drag and move, and we hold these. We click, hover, And we select these small circles and we click, hold, drag to resize. We can also change the color of this graphic by going to edit and coming up here to the top where the rectangle is. We click, and again we can choose any of the colors that's available, or we can create a custom color. For now I'm going to go to recent and I'm going to choose any one of these recent colors. Okay, so our logo is done, but let's say we wanted to make the background a bit more shorter so it can fit to the logo. We go back to resize and we come here to where it says height and we change the height. So I could change it to 300, then apply. And then we can resize it again. Again, let's say the logo is still not, shouldn't we resize that? Let's say the logo still got some space down here. We can still make further changes by going to resize and changing the height. So now we can go to download or save it. But before we do that, I want to show you, let's say you make a mistake. Here is the back and the forward buttons. I will show you an example. So we click this back button here and you see there's a change has been made, and we can click forward to restore it. So let's save it. We go up here to save to, we click here where it says logo, then we click save, or we could create a new folder if you currently don't have a folder. Call it logos, then create folder. Make sure it's selected, then you click save. Once that's completed, you can go to download, then we can click download again to make sure it's loaded onto our computer. As you can see, it's complete. That's all for now, and thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon.